Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox this Lamborghini Countach, the police car edition. Lamborghini Countach. But it's a police one. Okay, so this is the Lamborghini Countach. I'm gonna unbox it. Bro, I bought it in Lena Gifts. So this is the Lamborghini Countach. Has those lights, small tires, and this writing, neat. Very, very neat. And it's police car. Lamborghini Countach. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.